Enabling multi-factor authentication MFA on Entrata adds an extra layer of security to your account. Follow these steps to set it up effectively. Step 1. Log into your Entrata account. Begin by logging into your Entrata account using your username and password. Ensure you are on the official Entrata website to avoid phishing attempts. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, navigate to your account settings. This is typically found in the upper right corner of the dashboard, often represented by your profile picture or an icon. Step 3. Locate security settings. In the account settings menu, look for the security settings option. This section will contain various security features, including the option to enable multi-factor authentication. Step 4. Enable multi-factor authentication. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 5. Confirm and save changes. After selecting your authentication method, confirm your choice and save the changes. You may receive a verification code via your chosen method to finalize the setup. Enter this code to complete the process. By following these steps, you can successfully enable multi-factor authentication on your Entrata account, enhancing its security. Remember to keep your authentication method accessible for future logins.